Всім привіт, я
Hi everyone, I'm Ruslan, the founder of C-Way Mototrailers, and today I would like to present a major update to our line of luggage systems. We have combined our many years of experience with the feedback from our most demanding customers to create the best product on the market for the best touring motorcycle in the world, the Honda Goldwing. The first C-Way Canoe luggage system consisted of C-Way Hitch, C-Way luggage rack, and C-Way bag. But now we can offer you many more options. The C-Way Hitch can be version 1 or version 2.0. The C-Way luggage rack can be C-Way luggage rack 1, C-Way luggage rack 3-in-1, C-Way luggage rack 4-in-1, C-Way luggage rack top case. To each luggage rack you can add a plus lighting kit with wiring and connectors. And you can attach these types of luggage containers to the luggage rack. Let's talk about all the new products in more detail. Our new Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack is unique in its design. Its sides are bent down, allowing it to hold different types of luggage, including oversized items, and increasing the strength of the structure. It is made of 3mm steel, has stiffening ribs for added strength, and is coated with a polymer finish. It features numerous attachment points for conveniently securing your luggage. Now, I want to demonstrate the types of luggage you can carry on the Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack. An ordinary travel bag fits comfortably and securely. The securing straps are large enough to fit 2 bags at once. A standard suitcase for air travel fits perfectly in this luggage rack. A set of travel items and equipment. If you have a luggage net, you can conveniently attach it on top of other luggage. We have provided a large number of mounting holes for this. Our best seller, the C-Way branded luggage bag, is specially designed for use with our luggage racks. It is dust and moisture protected and conveniently attaches to the trunk. Today we present our new product, a smaller branded bag designed to attach to both a trunk and a large bag as a second bag. It attaches very comfortably and securely. Each branded bag is equipped with a shoulder strap for easy carrying. Our proprietary aluminum C-Way box can also be attached to the Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack, which has dampers and mounting holes for the box. You can attach the aluminum box in either direction for convenience. Another new product is the C-Way adjustable case bag. It consists of a top and bottom plastic cover and a dust and moisture-proof fabric in the middle. The bag attaches to the luggage rack using special fasteners. Now, let me show you the magic. The bag transforms into a spacious luggage case. Despite its large size, it does not interfere with the motorcycle's aerodynamics because it is narrower than the width of the motorcycle. The bag's height is designed to not interfere with the top case. The main advantage is that you can adjust its height to fit the amount of luggage inside. The Ziploc is waterproof. Now, I will show you how to adjust the bag's size to suit your luggage. I put my items inside and tightened the compression straps on the sides. This is how conveniently, beautifully, and safely you can now transport your luggage with our new adjustable C-Way case bag. We have enough ready-made kits in stock to ensure dispatch on the day of payment. In summary, with the new Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack, you can conveniently transport our branded C-Way bag, our aluminum C-Way box, our C-Way adjustable case bag, any of your oversized luggage. The Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack can be equipped with lighting equipment at your request, known as the Plus Kit. It includes turn signals, a brake light, a license plate light, and a convenient connector and cables to connect the lighting equipment to your motorcycle. The Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack mounts on our proprietary C-Way hitch with a quick attach unit. Now I will show you how quickly you can detach the luggage rack from the motorcycle. Once removed, nothing interferes with the bike's appearance because the C-Way hitch is hidden behind the rear wheel mudguard. The luggage rack can be reattached just as quickly and conveniently. Here I am holding the first generation C-Way hitch and the C-Way Hitch 2.0. You can find more details about the differences between the first generation and 2.0 in our previous videos. The C-Way Hitch 2.0 is the best motorcycle hitch on the market. We are proud of the design and quality we have achieved. We have sufficient quantities of the C-Way Hitch 2.0 in stock and guaranteed dispatch on the day of payment. We are discontinuing the first generation C-Way hitch and selling the remaining units at a good price. The C-Way Canoe 4-in-1 luggage rack installed on the C-Way Hitch 2.0 is a durable and reliable design. Another update for 2024 is the Canoe 3-in-1 luggage rack. It is made of 3mm steel, has stiffening ribs, rubber dampers, holes for attaching our proprietary aluminum box, and many fasteners for securing straps. With the new Canoe 3-in-1 luggage rack, you can conveniently transport our branded C-Way bag, our aluminum C-Way box, any of your oversized luggage. It can also be equipped with lighting equipment at your request, making it a plus kit. The last new product I want to tell you about today is the C-Way Canoe luggage rack for top cases from other manufacturers. Here is one of our clients' motorcycles, with a motorcycle-style top case installed on our C-Way Canoe top case rack. Each manufacturer's top case has a mounting platform, and our luggage rack is designed to conveniently attach this platform. The C-Way Canoe top case rack is mounted on the C-Way 2.0 hitch with a quick release unit, so you can easily detach it from your motorcycle. Also, at your request, the luggage rack can be equipped with lighting equipment. All our products are branded with our patented C-Way trademark. We take personal responsibility for the quality of our products. We are very pleased with your positive reviews and recommendations to your friends. We are delighted to bring convenience and comfort to your motorcycle travels. I wish you a great motorcycle season and see you on the road.